In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a device from your Nordvpn account. Whether you're making room for a new device or simply managing your connected gadgets, keeping track of your connected devices is essential for smooth operation and optimal security. Let's dive right in and make this process a breeze. First off, to begin this process, you'll need to head over to the Nordvpn app on your device. If you're not already logged in, make sure you have your credentials ready, as you'll need them to access your account. Once you've opened the app and logged in, you'll notice various sections in the interface. For our task today, start by navigating to the MeshNet section. This is where Nordvpn groups devices connected to your network. You should see an option or tab labeled Devices. Go ahead and click on this to proceed. The Devices section is a crucial part because it lists all the devices currently connected to your Nordvpn account. If you have multiple devices linked, take a moment to scan through and identify the specific one you'd like to remove. Having an eye for detail can save you from accidentally removing the wrong device, especially if some of your devices have similar names. Now that you've identified the device you want to remove, the next step is straightforward. Simply locate the device within the list presented and select it. After selecting the device, there should be an option or button to remove or disconnect it. Go ahead and click on this option. This simple action will prompt Nordvpn to sever the connection between your account and the selected device, effectively removing it from your list of active connections. It's important to note that removing a device means it will no longer be able to use your Nordvpn services until it's added back. Therefore, make sure you actually want to remove it before confirming the action. Should you ever wish to reconnect this device in the future, you'll need to undergo the normal device addition process, which means logging in and ensuring it is recognized by the Nordvpn services. Once the device is removed, take a moment to review your other connected devices. Keeping an updated and correct list helps maintain the security and efficiency of your Nordvpn account. Regularly auditing this list ensures you're fully aware of which devices have access, thereby preventing any unexpected usage or security breaches. And there you have it. A simple, efficient way to manage your connected devices within Nordvpn. By maintaining control over your connections and regularly auditing your list, you ensure optimal performance and security for your VPN service. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful in managing your Nordvpn devices.